Even though Apple hasn't officially revealed anything about the iPhone 17e, early leaks about the device are already starting to surface. That's right, despite the lack of any formal announcement, reports suggest that production planning for this upcoming budget-friendly iPhone is already in progress. This early activity hints at something significant, a major shift in Apple's long-term strategy, especially when it comes to how they approach their more affordable smartphone offering. We've also got some exciting breaking news. Apple has officially begun preparations for the production of the iPhone 17e, and all signs point to a potential launch as early as May next year. This development is significant because it strongly indicates that Apple is transitioning to a consistent annual release cycle for its more affordable E series. Unlike the previous SE models, which were launched on an irregular schedule, the new E lineup appears to be Apple's answer to creating a more predictable and frequent update for budget-conscious consumers. This shift could mark a major change in Apple's strategy for its lower-cost iPhones. According to a well-known and reliable leaker named Fixed Focus Digital, who shared this update on the Chinese social media platform Weibo, Apple's new iPhone 17e has moved well beyond the early development phase. It's reportedly nearing the stage where it will enter trial production. For those unfamiliar with the process, trial production refers to the stage where manufacturers, often major partners like Foxconn, establish a smaller test version of the full assembly line. This allows them to produce a limited quantity of units to evaluate the efficiency of the manufacturing process, identify any issues, and make necessary adjustments. It's considered one of the final stages before mass production is officially launched, signaling that Apple is getting very close to making the iPhone 17e a reality. The timing of this development is especially noteworthy. Apple had only recently launched the iPhone 16e in February, positioning it as their new budget-friendly model to take the place of the now retired SE lineup. This latest addition to their entry-level offerings didn't just come with a new name, it introduced some meaningful improvements. Most notably, it featured Apple's in-house C1 modem, a chip designed to enhance energy efficiency. Alongside that, the iPhone 16 was also equipped with a bigger battery compared to what we typically get in the standard iPhone 16 models, further improving overall performance and battery life. Despite being part of the iPhone 16 lineup, the iPhone 16e still carries several noticeable trade-offs when compared to the more premium mainline models. One of the most significant differences is its display, which is limited to a 60 Hz refresh rate. This is a notable downgrade, considering that all other current iPhone 16 models are equipped with Apple's smoother and more responsive 120 Hz ProMotion technology. Additionally, the iPhone 16e's peak screen brightness falls short of what the higher-end versions offer, making it less ideal for viewing in bright outdoor conditions. Perhaps the most striking compromise, however, is the camera setup. Unlike the standard iPhone 16 models that come with a more versatile dual camera system, the 16e is equipped with only a single rear camera, reducing its photographic capabilities and limiting options like ultra-wide shots or enhanced zoom features. What can we realistically anticipate from the upcoming iPhone 17e? Although Apple has not released much concrete information yet, certain trends are beginning to emerge. It appears that Apple is forming a consistent strategy for its E series models. These versions tend to be equipped with a modified or binned variant of the chip that is used in the base version of the current generation iPhones. Based on this pattern, it's reasonable to assume that the iPhone 17e will likely feature a slightly less powerful version of the chip that drives the regular iPhone 17. This allows Apple to offer a more affordable model while still maintaining performance levels that are close to the standard version. One of the major uncertainties surrounding the new device is its pricing. Currently, the iPhone 16e is priced at $599, placing it firmly in the mid-range category rather than being a truly budget-friendly smartphone. While it's more affordable than flagship models, it still doesn't reach the lower price points typically associated with entry-level phones. Additionally, the iPhone 16e is limited in terms of design choices. It comes in just two basic colors, black and white. This minimal color selection stands in contrast to the wider range of vibrant and expressive color options offered by other iPhone models, which are often marketed toward younger or more style-conscious users. This recent leak highlights a clear shift in Apple's overall approach to the smartphone market. Historically, Apple released lower-cost alternatives irregularly through its SE line, with gaps of several years between launches. Now, with the introduction and apparent continuation of the E series, Apple seems to be moving toward a more predictable annual release cycle for its its mid-tier phones. This strategic move suggests Apple is aiming to build a dependable upgrade path for more budget-conscious users, those who want to stay within the Apple ecosystem without paying the premium prices of the Pro or flagship models. Essentially, Apple is creating a consistent and more affordable tier of devices to retain users who might otherwise consider switching to Android for budget reasons. What's your take on Apple's strategy with the budget iPhone lineup? Do you enjoy seeing yearly upgrades in this more affordable range, or would you prefer that Apple start including some of the high-end features found in its flagship models? We really love to hear what you think, so be sure to drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Let's get a conversation going. If this video gave you some valuable insight, make sure to click that subscribe button and enable the notification bell so you're always in the loop whenever there's a new update about the iPhone or other Apple devices. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, take care, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care. Bye.